Calvin's going to be disappointed when he realises what we're doing.
So what's going on, guys?
Oh, over here, kinda.
Hold on to your head sleds.
Wait, you're going off the cliff?
I'm not safe.
Oh my god. I'm gonna go off the little, slightly safer looking area.
Wait, no, I made it all the way down. It's totally safe.
Oh my lord.
Yep. I'm just pinballing like a fucking...
Oh, Jesus!
Oh my god. Pinball machine. Oh my goodness. I don't imagine this.
I just went past some
quick.
cannibals, they're gonna be so weird.
Yep, same.
I landed in some water and floating down a river. Oh my god.
Jesus
I don't think you're meant to go that fast.
I just
think the mechanics
flew
are
like
broken.
15 meters up.
I just went off a waterfall.
Why am I near?
Oh my god. I'm inside of the water at this point.
I'm right behind you.
I'm slightly down the river. There's another good spot here, guys.
Oh, I can't get off of it.
Going
Oh my
down.
god, you can go down.
This is badass.
This might be the best idea I've ever had.
Oh
in
my
life.
god. Hell yeah.
This is so good.
The water is amazing.
The water is,
So bouncy.
yeah, the water is much easier.
This is just Mario Kart. No, out of the way!